Well, Harvey is here. Baby, you like the rain? The 1st of September, usually August and September, and even into November is the dry season here in eastern Kentucky under normal circumstances. However, not too dry right now. Actually, I'm thinking August is the dog days of summer when it's all dry and the drought hit, what have you. And I've heard that it's named that because that's when the star Sirius lines up with the sun or some mess like that. And Sirius is the dog star. And I guess the old timers figured since it was lined up with the sun and it was a pretty big star that it made it hotter. Now I don't know about all that. Usually it's hot in August, but it's a lot more dry than what it is now. It's not bad weather. The rain's pretty much coming straight down. What I am doing, besides getting out of the house so I don't lose my friggin' mind, I'm looking for a place to set up my two-man stand. Right down that way is where my barn is. Before they did all the logging in here, that's why it's so thick up in here is the logging. It actually makes for a good habitat for deer and whatever else wants to hide. But there's big rocks up here. They're hard to see right now. There's one up there, then there's one down there, and a couple more down in the bottom where I've been making my burn piles and busting them up. It's a bit noisy because of my umbrella. Not a lot I can do about that. So this is a part of the property that I rarely come to until hunting season. I try to keep out of here because it's a great place to deer hunt. There's one of the big rocks. There's big rocks all up on that ridge line. If you go back to my videos, there's a rock up here that has actually come loose, and it's at least as big as that one there. It's actually come loose. I think it's right up there, right above my barn. If that sucker would have come on down the hill, I wouldn't have much of a barn left. But I reckon if I was a booger in this type of weather, which it ain't real cold or anything, but once your skin gets wet, that makes, you know, like the same principle of us sweating. It makes you get cold. No matter if it's, you know, 60, 70 degrees, it's still gonna get cold. Now one of the theories, and I like it, is like boogers have long hair. And that could work to their advantage, and even the wetness. Back in the day, farmers used to wear long shirts, right? And I guess some people still do. I mean, you have it from the Mexican laborers. Whenever I worked down in North Carolina, they would always wear long skirts. And what that does is keep the moisture trapped to your skin to cool you off. But also, if you ever notice, like people that ride motorcycles and they have like leather jackets and the what they call fringes or whatever that hang off of their jackets. That's a way to shed water and keep you dry faster. So maybe it's the same principle what boogers use. That and it protects the skin from insects and sun and briars and all that. And it's really coming down. I'm gonna get out here just because it makes that a bit dangerous. You never know if a tree's gonna come down. The ground gets all soft like this, the trees fall. And I probably ought to get my camera and pearl out of this anyway. I'll have to pull her back up. I just want to look for a spot. I put down some more of the chemicals for the deer. Pretty much basically salt and minerals for them. If you get deer on your property, pretty good possibility boogers will be in there. The beauty of this property is I'm completely surrounded by the game club and a parcel of my Uncle Bob's property. Uncle Bob has, you know, kids that hunt on him and even grandkids, I guess now. Excuse me. Used to be a big deer that laid right behind that rock all the time before the logging was done. It's kind of easing off now. But then on the other side of my Uncle Bob's, and I think even part of the hunting club property, is another reserve. It's the government bought it up, some kind of watershed deal. And but anyway, I got people hunting. The hunting club owns a slither of land just that borders me completely around, but it's not much that they own. But on the other side, you see me up on the strip mines and stuff. People travel that pretty hot and heavy, and then during, especially rifle season, people come in there and hunt. And what it does is push the boogers in here on me. I get a lot of activity during hunting season. It kind of works out for me. I would like to get down there. I'm soaking wet anyway, I might as well. I'm soaking wet from like my knees down, walking in this stuff. But I know they're around here. They put out the video where they slapped the house or hit it. I'm starting to think they hit it with a stick or something maybe. Because it didn't, whenever they slapped it before, which they did it once last winter, and then they did it a few times before that. But anyway, it was a lot louder. I mean, a lot louder. It wasn't very loud on the tape that, or the recording I did yesterday. It was louder than it actually sounded on there. But whenever they did it before, I mean, it just sounded like an explosion. It was so loud. I mean, I actually thought somebody drove a truck into the house. That's how loud it was. And they had done that a few times. This right here used to be one of the main trails that deer would use. I can still see a trail going through there, and they probably still use it. Right down there in the bottom is my other rocks I've been working on. In 100 years from now, I'll have them rocks out of there. I'll get to cut. If I have to cut around them, that'll be nice for me. Let's hope my old tractor lasts that long. Okay, yeah, I done got my camera wet and stuff. I don't think it'll be too bad. Starting to ease up on around. I'm going to ease on around here, and me and Bailey will see what we can see. Bailey, you like the rain, don't you? Huh? Yeah, where's that good girl? All right. Y'all have a good day and God bless.